Hi students, welcome back to Greenland Immigration. Facing problem in MCQs, that means multiple choice questions. I am here to clear your doubts today in reading module of IELTS related to multiple choice questions. And if you like the content of this video, please share it with your friends and do subscribe my channel on YouTube. Thank you. So let's begin. How to solve one or how to choose one out of 4. What is it? These are the multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions are those questions where multiple choices are given. जिमें कि मैं question इथे board पे mention किया है A, B, C and D. 4 choices are given and you have to choose the correct one out of 4. इस करके ਆਪਾਂ ਚਾਰਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਇੱਕ choose करनी है. And there are many techniques. There are number of techniques, numerous techniques to solve multiple choice questions. But today here I am going to explain you the best of all and easiest of all technique ਜਿਹੜੀ ਦੱਸਾਂਗੀ that is the elimination technique. ਇਹ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ easy ਤੇ ਆਸਾਨ technique ਹੈ and that helps you to fetch better band score in your reading module of IELTS. ਹੁਣ elimination technique basically ਹੈ ਕੀ? When 4 choices are given, ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਪੈਸੇਜ ਦੇ ਪਾਰਟ ਤੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਕੀਵਰਡਸ ਅੰਡਰਲਾਈਨ ਕਰਕੇ ਫਰਮ ਦ ਸਟੇਟਮੈਂਟ ਗਿਵਨ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਟੇਟਮੈਂਟ ਉੱਪਰ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉੱਥੇ ਕੀਵਰਡਸ ਆਪਾਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਪਿਕ ਕਰ ਲਏ ਦੈਨ ਵੀ ਸ਼ਿਫਟ ਔਨ ਟੂ ਦ ਰੀਡਿੰਗ ਪੈਸੇਜ ਉੱਥੇ ਕੀਵਰਡਸ ਦੇਖੇ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਪੋਰਸ਼ਨ 'ਚ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਐਂਡ ਦੈਨ ਯੂ ਸ਼ਿਫਟ ਔਨ ਟੂ ਦੀ ਚੋਇਸਿਸ A B C D ਚੋਇਸ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇਖੀ what we have to do is elimination technique ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਪੈਸੇਜ 'ਚ ਕਿਤੇ ਗੱਲ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤੀ you directly cross that statement ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਹੀ cross ਕਰ ਦੋ then shift on to the second option ਉਹ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲੀ ਗਲਤ ਕਰਤੀ third state option ਜੇ somehow ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ but you are not very clear about it shift on to the last option which is left D1 अगर ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ if you are very much clear कि ਉਹ option ਉੱਥੇ present नहीं है then cross that ਜਾਂ ਜੇ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਕਿ yes D is there C नहीं ਸੀਗੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ cross ਕਰ ਦੋ and ultimately eliminate ਕਰਤੀਆਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ means ਖਤਮ ਕਰਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ answers ਸਾਨੂੰ possible ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਲੱਗਦੇ and we finally land on to correct answer ਸਾਡੀ D ਜਾਂ B ਜਾਂ A ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵੀ choice ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਬਚ ਗਈ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੀ correct choice ਮਿਲ ਗਈ this is all what I mean by elimination technique so let's start with the passage These are few statements या a part of your reading passage. थोड़ियाँ जी हमें lines उठो pick कितियाँ. So let's begin how to solve the MCQs with the help of elimination technique. I will begin. Conservatives also point out that risky as amphetamines were drug therapies. जो drug therapies ने they were prescribed only. Stress देना इस word ते only, never. Ever, although इदां दियां चीज़ां दे for temporary use advocates of new drug treatments leave open छाड़ दे खुली छाड़ देंदे ने the possibility संभावना that the medications ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਦਵਾਈਆਂ ਨੇ they will be prescribed for lifetime let's shift on to the question statement says conservative doctors do not like ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਸੰਦ ਕਰਦੇ the drug therapies for obesity is ਮੋਟਾਪਾ ਮੋਟਾਪੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ drug therapies ਨੇ conservatives ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਜਾਂ conservative doctors ਨੇ ਉਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਪਸੰਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ they do not like because ਕਿਉਂ ਹੁਣ reasons ਦੱਸੇ option A is they are based on amphetamines they are expensive B option C is they cause kidney failure and D is they may be taken for long periods now shift on to the choices again they are based on amphetamines ਕਿਤੇ ਇਹ ਸਟੇਟਮੈਂਟਸ ਚ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ drug therapies ਨੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ conservative doctors ਪਸੰਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਉਹ amphetamines ਤੇ based ਨੇ no so we'll directly cross this option ਗਈ ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਹੈ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੀ 100% sure shift on to B they are expensive ਇਹ drug therapies ਨੂੰ ਡਾਕਟਰਸ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਸੰਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਮਹਿੰਗੀਆਂ ਨੇ nowhere mentioned in the lines above cross this option again let's come to the third option they cause kidney failure have they ever mentioned कि ये drug therapies की कर दियाँ kidney failure कर दियाँ liver failure कर दियाँ heart failure कर दियाँ nowhere mentioned nothing about kidney is mentioned in the statements above so again we cross this option and ultimately we are left with one option ये तीन ते है ही नहीं we are left with one option बिना पढ़े you can take that option but yes, एक बारी पढ़ भी लो, they may be taken for long periods. इन्हां नू लंबे समय वास्ते लिया जा सकता है. And in the last line they have mentioned संभावना है that the medications will be prescribed for lifetime. Lifetimes means for your whole life. Shift on to the second question. While there are at least katto kat 5 new diet drugs waiting approval by US Drug Administration at the moment ध्यान च रखना, the only diet medication that is normally used in US is fen. Okay, question. The number of drug-based diet treatments used at present, and here it was given at the moment, in US is option A, 5 including amphetamines. Is it mentioned कि जेडी at present use करते हैं अपना drug-based diet treatment that those are 5 and those include amphetamines? No, it's not mentioned. Hence, we'll cross this option. Not given. Second one, ਉਹ 5 ਨੇ not including amphetamines. ਉਹਦੇ ਚ amphetamines included नहीं है, but वो 5 ने. No, again not mentioned. Finally, we come to option C. D option is none. C is 1. C, look at, ਕਹਿੰਦਾ there are at least ਘੱਟੋ ਘੱਟ 5 ਨਵੀਆਂ diet drugs ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਕਿ approval ਦੀ ਵੇਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੀਆਂ at present, but the only diet medication ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇੱਕ ਹੀ ਆਪਾਂ diet medication ਦਿੰਨੇ ਆ that is fen. That means there is only one, and this is the correct option. I hope this is clear to everyone. That's all for today. If you want more videos on such questions or on such kind of techniques, please do mention it in the comment section. And if you have any doubt related to this MCQs or any technique of mine, you can also mention that in the comment section. I hope you have liked the content, and please share it with your friends. Thank you.